Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you guys how to change the date and time on iPhone iOS 13. So in this update, if you go to general and then go to date and time, as you can see, the time is where it says set automatically is grayed out. We can only change this one right here. So that is kind of annoying, and I'm going to show you guys how to fix that today. So what you want to do is go all the way back, click on screen time right here, and then go to the content and privacy restrictions, and you want to turn this off just like this. Enter your screen time passcode, go back, and then click on change screen time passcode and click turn off screen time passcode. And just like this, we have now turned that off. So you want to go back, go to general, click on date and time. As you can see, it is not grayed out. We can deselect this and then change the date and time however we like, just like this. And yeah, that's basically how you do it. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.